Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some hair ideas that you can try out this fall season. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair into a brand new haircut, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see a beautiful mullet style. I like the amount of texture that this particular mullet has, especially going there in the back. Followed by this beautiful jaw length style bob. And then we have someone wearing some beautiful reddish colored hair. She does have the bangs going there in the front with the tousled curls mixed in. Followed by an asymmetrical pixie with a split dye, blue on one side, pink on the other. And she also has an undercut going here as well with a design in the back. So here we have another hot hair idea with this layered shaggy cut with the baby bangs going there in the front. This is a mix and a toss-up between a mullet and a shag, and we are calling it a shullet this season. So we have another cool girl hair idea for the next one, and it involves this pink pixie style. Next up, we have this gorgeous blonde bob. Followed by another beautiful blonde makeover. So the stylist also did a bob for this cut. Very nice dimension within the coloring, and the cut looks amazing. So here we have a gorgeous pixie haircut. This one is very short and sweet. Followed by someone who decided to do two hot hair trends in one, the cherry cola colored hair as well as some beautiful layers. Next up, we have another gorgeous layered haircut transformation. Absolutely stunning, and it looks like she did get some color added to her strands as well. And last but not least, we have this pixie haircut makeover. She's going to be doing a big chop for this hair change, cutting off quite a bit of hair. Flawless pixie style. She looks amazing. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.